Hello, so today I'm going to look at New Zealand yen potential trade idea. As you can see, we've had this very bearish run, but what has drawn my attention to this is we have taken out a key low, and we are now using that key low, if I go down into the 2R, as support and resistance. Now I'm bearish this, I'm just trying to go with the flow of the market, but say we have taken out that, we can see that this is acting as support and this is acting as support. So if I was looking for a continuation, we can simply mark out this level. As we can see, it's acting as resistance here and support here. So if I get a 2R close below this level, which is 82.131, and a retest, I will look for selling opportunities in New Zealand yen, and I will be looking for just these lows to go, just continuational play using higher time frame support and resistance, and then using lower time frame support and resistance. So just keeping it simple for today. This is an instrument I am interested in. Any trades I'll take, I'll post into the group. But yeah, New Zealand yen is high on the list, and just for a continuational play. Maybe we even come higher. I'll have a second look at price here, support and resistance. If we come up into here, maybe sweep some highs, break down, I'll follow structure, and I'll look for a selling opportunity. But at the moment we're between two levels, and if we can break out and retest, then I will be looking for a sell in New Zealand yen, just down to take out these lows in around 81.4.